Enid, get inside now.
No, you're my best friend. I'm not gonna let you keep pulling yourself away like this. Enid! People!
Where did those birds come from?